How to share YouTube channel link in WhatsApp. You can definitely share a YouTube channel link in WhatsApp, whether it is others' channel link or your own channel link. So if it is someone else's channel link, you can simply go to the channel, tap on the three dots and make sure to tap on share. Then just copy the link right here. Or if it is your own channel, come to your profile, then just go to view channel here, then tap on the three dots, then tap on share. Now you can directly copy the link or share like WhatsApp from here, but if you want to copy the link manually, then you can do that. Then open up WhatsApp right here, then simply go ahead and open it up and simply paste that particular link to share it with them. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then share your YouTube channel link on WhatsApp. Hope this video was really helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.